I give it a few days before they're back together.
Even when I did try and tell people, they didn't believe me.
Come on, she told me they're really broken up this time.
Sure they are, Shell. That's why she's still wearing that tacky J necklace.
He is going to be running right back into his arms the minute he snaps his fingers.
If not him, the next closest alpha male with a pulse.
Some people just aren't born to stand on their own.
Oh, girl, let's drink. Come on.
I knew I needed to find some way to show the world that I'd cut ties with Mr. J for good.
Harley!
Some people have the Eiffel Tower or Olive Garden. The Joker and I, our love bloomed in a highly toxic industrial processing plant. And, luckily for me, I have all my best ideas drunk.
I have the best idea.
My knees are bruised from kneeling to you. I've had enough, but you're too hard to quit. We've had our fun. Now you sugar me.
This is where it all began, Puddin'. You motherfucker.
And now I'm laughing through my tears. I'm crying through my fears. But baby, if I had to choose, the joke's on you. The joke's on you.
It was the closure I needed. A fresh start. A chance to be my own woman.
Another time to be